So in this video, we will be talking about BigQuery. So BigQuery is part of the Google Cloud, and it is one of the many functions that they offer there. Now, what BigQuery can do for you is it can organize data that is otherwise useless. Say you're a company, and this company wants to find out which one of their salespeople are doing how much sales. So we have this data here, and you want to be able to analyze it. Now, right now, you can't do anything with it. So you have to use BigQuery in order to get you the information that you need. And that'll be the start.
The first thing you want to do once you open BigQuery is click Compose New Query to get rid of anything that you do not want in the query editor that you might have there. Once you do that, you'll want to go to Resources and select the resource that you're working on. Once you have that done, you'll want to click Create Dataset and enter the name you have for your dataset. In our case, that's going to be New Project Practice. Once you have that done, you'll want to make sure that your data location is set to US and you can leave everything else the same. And then you'll want to click Create Dataset. Once your dataset's created, you'll want to go to it and then create a table in it. For the table source, you'll want to upload and then choose the data file that you have on your computer. In our case, that's going to be Sales 2019. For the file format, you want to choose CSV so that you can set the schema later on. But first, you'll want to type in the table name that you have for ours. For ours, it's going to be Sales 2019. Then for the schema, you'll want to edit as text and enter in the column names and the text type that you have. Once you have that done, you can click Create Table. Then the only thing you have left to do is you'll go to your table, and then you'll want to enter your code into the query editor. In our case, we already have the code typed, so we're just going to copy and paste it. Once you do that, you'll want to click Run, and once it finishes getting the results, you can see them down below.
As you can see, BigQuery has now organized all of the data. It has organized it by the name and number and has numbered all of them in this order. Now, you can only do so much with this data now, but the best part about it is it can now be organized into a graph or chart that can be an easy visual using another piece of the Google Cloud platform, which is the Data Studio. Now, we will not be going over Data Studio in this video, but it is a very easy, user-friendly software as well, much like BigQuery, and you can use that. Now, you can use this information as a small business to know if there's a branch that is not performing up to par with other ones because all of their salesmen are lower on the numbers, and be able to make many important business decisions based off of this. I hope you are able to use this in the future to enhance your business and any other needs that you may have.